My name is Carl Sledwitz, and I have the honor and privilege of being the chairman and co-founder of Monogram Foods. Where are you going as a company, and how do you get there? We all want to be aligned, whether it's our bankers, our shareholders, and management, and the employees. And here's where Monogram's going. We're going wherever it takes us to be successful, but we're going to grow with a spirit. We're never going to lose that spirit that we started this company with. An entrepreneurial spirit is a behavior that we value. So we're going to continue to keep that soul, that passion, that aspect of fun, that aspect of hard work. When Wes and I started this company, we had it then, and our goal is to never lose it.
When it comes to our customers, we just don't know how to say no. I mean, our business is not to grow our business, but it's to grow their business. And we have strategic partnerships, and if they asked us to do something, we will run through brick walls to try to do what they've asked. And I think that sets us apart. And we always start as a customer-vendor relationship, but we end up as strategic partners.
You know, every company has to have a competitive advantage to succeed. And one of the competitive advantages that we have at Monogram is our nimbleness, our ability to respond, our ability to have a culture that breeds innovation. That's the difference maker at Monogram.
Monogram's been successful in growing the company because we've made investments in our infrastructure and our back office systems to allow us to be very efficient. A large customer base of ours are co-manufacturing clients and private labels, so we need to know in our accounting systems accurate, timely information, and it's got to be right.
Under my span of control, we're responsible for making a food-safe product first and foremost. Number two, we have to do it in an environment that makes sure that our employees and our associates are as safe as they can be. We expect people to come to work safe and healthy, and we expect them to go home safe and healthy. So we have to make sure that environment is as safe as it can be. And third, we have to make sure that we are making quality product that meets the expectations of our standards and our customers to ensure that we are competitive in the marketplace and that we are at the top tier of what happens in the category.
You hear the story, hey, people leave bosses, they don't leave companies. We believe in that. So as we've built our training and development capability, it's been focused on leads, supervisors, and managers. We believe that those folks have got to be able to be well trained, and they've got to be able to adapt when a person has a problem. Everybody has a bad day. If that supervisor can help that person that's come to work that day that's not doing well, then they start building that bond. That gets them focused on what the future can look like. It gets them past the tough days.
I see this mighty Mississippi and its strength and its power, and it inspires me because I see the similarities with Monogram. We are a growth company going someplace, and like that Mississippi River that has no discrimination, we are an inclusive company. We don't care about your background, the color of your skin, the preference of your sexuality, or the background of your parents. We are an inclusive company that tries to show respect to one another, and if you want to be part of it, get in that turbulent water with us, because we're going places, and we're going to have fun when we do it, and we're going to do it with pride and class.